Installing Arlington steel Snap2It fittings in a box is quick and easy. Just rock the fitting while pressing it into the desired knockout. Or here's another way, using tools you already have. Place the fitting in the desired knockout, then, using your lineman's pliers as a hammer, hit the top of the fitting to seat it firmly in the knockout. That's it. Removing the fitting from the box, with or without cables installed, is simple as well. Using the easy-to-use desnapper removal tool, place desnapper over the fitting from below, inside the box, and push up to depress the tangs while pulling the fitting out of the box. Or you can use your channel locks. Open them slightly larger than the diameter of the installed cable, placing the jaws between the cable and on top of the fitting. Then, using your lineman's pliers as a hammer, hit the channel locks near the cable without hitting it. It may take a few tries, but the fitting and cable will slide through the knockout, and you can unscrew the fitting from the armor.